power of smile. You know, I smile is the simplest gift you can give to someone, and it's free. Yet, it has the power to change someone's day, sometimes even their life. When you smile at someone, you are sending a silent message like, I see you, I respect you, and I wish you well. That small action can melt away tension and trust build and create a great bond between people, even strangers. That means, sincerely I say, smiling releases chemical in our brain that make feel us good. That means when you smile, you are not only helping others, you are also making yourself happier. Think about the time when you are feeling low and someone smile at you. For a moment, your mood lifted, right? That is the power of a smile. It's cost nothing, but it's value beyond measure. So, my dear audience, remember this one thing. Success is not about money, power, or position. True success is about how many lives you touch. And sometimes I don't need a big action to inspire others. Just a genuine smile can be the start of change. With a person whose smile encourages, uplifts, and guidance others to keep going. You know, the world is already full of stress and negativity. But we can be the person, someone feels hope again, just simply sharing by a smile. Your smile is the shortest distance between two hearts. And there is a saying, yesterday is a story and tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That's why it's called present. So why do we feel pain? You should forget present, past and future. Just remember present with a smile. So, in my conclusion, today and every day, you should remember your smile is your superpower. You use it often, and you never knows whose heart you might touch. And today, I give you a live example in English fantasy from God Uncle to our MD Rajan sir. They are always smiling. They give us upliftment, encouragement, guidance, and inspire always. So let's give them a big round of applause. And finally, I would like to praise for you for hearing my speech attentively without any hesitation. So no more today. Allah Hafiz. Thank you everyone.